CNN, Paulina Porizkova is proud to show off her fabulous Photoshop-free self. Last month, the supermodel took to Instagram to post a pic of herself on the cover of Vogue Czechoslovakia, writing, "Exactly 40 years after my very first, German, Vogue cover at the age of 16, here is a new one. Full frontal nude, at 56, on Vogue CZ." She also thanked the brave folks at Vogue CZ for daring to do the cover. The picture ran without any filters or photo editing. Porizkova tells Page 6, "It's unretouched," referring to the photo. As soon as it came out, Twitter was like, "Well, fine, retouch the photos, and then sure, they'll look fine," she said, adding, "It's like, no, 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 it was Marie Tomanova's photography. Obviously, you could take a much worse picture than that of me, but you wouldn't want to see that on the cover, right?" She also says she didn't know the picture was going to land on the cover. "I just thought we were screwing around, quite frankly," she said. We were all just hanging out, speaking Czech, having a good time taking some pictures. I figured we'd have a page or two in the back of Vogue." The cover, she likes to emphasize, comes exactly 4 decades after her first German Vogue cover. "My very first Vogue cover was in May 1981, and it was an extreme close-up on my face," she told the publication.